I picked up some things. I want to share them with you. I found this all-in-one makeup kit. I'm all about a good deal. So let's do a run through of everything it comes with, and then we'll try out the products. I will have this linked on my Amazon storefront. Check the link in bio. We have beauty sponge. Let's see. It also comes with a lip gloss. Smells like perfume. Some blotting pads with a full cover concealer. Let's look at the color. And is the color. It has like a peachy tone to it. Comes with the concealer and 3 lip creams. So have 3 lipsticks. So I'm just going to take them. See what one of them look like. It looks like a burgundy. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna assume these are lipstick shades. The second one, this one looks a little bit more glossy. You actually get 2 concealers. Okay, that's the color 20. They give you some glitters, a face primer, eyeliners, brushes, just a foundation brush. This is the eyeshadow palette. Look how cute that is. But the eyeshadows are such a travel size. Let's test these out and see if they're any good. I'm gonna use this as an eyeshadow base. See what the consistency is gonna be for the concealer. So I'm gonna apply that all over the lid. That's actually really creamy. Blend it into, I'm gonna go in with this brown right here. Picks up pretty good. I wasn't expecting it to even show up. That actually didn't do too bad. I'm not mad at it at all. So let's go in with right here and apply it to the lid. Ooh, that's kind of pretty. Oh, that's not bad at all, y'all. I thought these were not gonna show at all, but they actually are doing pretty good. I like this so far. Ooh, so pretty. The liner, it's a little bit on the rough side. I wish they can poke my eye out. So that turned out pretty good, actually. I wasn't expecting it, but I want to try out the lip colors. And they have like this really pretty red. I'm just gonna swatch it for y'all. Like an orange red, what it looks like. Let's try a swatch of the lipstick. All right. I mean, it's not bad. Add some liners to this. I feel like this kit is decent. It's not amazing, but if you want like several things in one, it is a nice travel kit, and it also is great for beginners. The eyeshadows was not extremely horrible. Pretty decent kit for the price that you pay. It gets the job done.